Hello and welcome back to the third rail. Collecting can be a bit frustrating at times. For example, I've had this solitary Swiss luggage van for several years all alone in its drawer, and I was unable to find matching coaches during that time. They are not rare, being items from the standard catalogue produced over many years, but people seem to be holding on to them, and when they sell, it is usually at prices I simply cannot afford. But as the English say, good things come to those who wait. I was lucky enough to stumble across an ad for 3 of these coaches matching the depth of my pockets. And here they are. 3 Einheitswagen of the Swiss Railways, in their original box and in very good condition. It's a mini milestone for the collection as well, as I now have at least one of every SBB coach produced in the 1980s. Tick in the box! This arrival is a good opportunity to finally take out an SBB locomotive I was unable to run until now. It is an AE 3/6 Mark II, its model number 3151. I have assembled a little consist with the new arrivals and the locomotive in its original brown SBB livery. It was produced between 1979 and 1984, and it is one of the models where the arrangement of the mechanism differs slightly from what Märklin usually did at the time. The motor and reverser are the usual type, but the motor is placed more towards the center, above the driving axle. Märklin did something similar with the 3030 and the 3098, for example, probably due to lack of space. Back to the track. So we have the consist with the loco, the luggage van, which is equipped with interior lighting, and then the 3 latest arrivals. Let's switch to some action now and follow the consist for a few rounds on the main line. Enjoy the sound of the M-track. Well, I think the consist is lovely, and it was nice to see this locomotive run after such a long time spent in a drawer. We've reached the end of the video. I'd like to thank you very much for watching. This is much appreciated. I'd also like to thank you for all your subscriptions, shares and likes, which I found very rewarding and keep me going. They are also a good way to increase the visibility of the channel, even with something as simple as a like. So thank you very much again for this, and bye for now.